If you're trying to grow a business or a personal brand through LinkedIn, but you're just not really sure what to post about, in this video, I'm going to give you 5 great ideas for you to post on LinkedIn that you can start creating today that will help you increase your engagement and then get more leads out of LinkedIn. LinkedIn is such a powerful network. There's over 800 million professionals on the platform, so you want to make sure you're implementing these tips to gain that audience. At the end of the video, I'm going to give you one special tip that many people aren't implementing that will help you possibly double your reach through LinkedIn. Let's get into it. The first post idea I have for you is one that many people on LinkedIn get wrong. See, everyone wants to post about their product, but the first post idea I have for you is post about a problem that your product solves. And see, what you're doing is you're creating the idea that your product is not just a product that people buy, but it's a solution to a problem that people have. So start your post out with, if you're having problem with this, or have you noticed that this is a struggle for many something, or if you're even having problems with trying to figure out what feature to talk about or what problem your product solves, think about this. What specific feature, now get specific as possible, does my problem solve for the end user or for the buyer? Use that question to come up with this post. So what you're going to do is you're going to create one tagline on top of LinkedIn. So you're going to type in that question, and then you're going to create a couple paragraph or the paragraph under that talking about how your product solves that problem, or how that problem is solved, and then how your product makes it easier to solve that problem. That's your first one. The second type of post you can easily produce for your LinkedIn page is post a video based on a content you've written or an illustration you created, or even an article that is in your industry. So what you're going to want to do is, if you have an article or if you already have a piece of content you create on your website, just say, hey, I was reading this article, or hey, not sure if you saw this article. These are a few takeaways I found from it. If you're interested in reading the whole article, links in the description. Love to get your feedback on it. And that's it. LinkedIn over indexes video. It likes to push video out. So when you create video, you'll probably gain more engagement than if you're just writing text on LinkedIn. If you're getting value from this content, it would mean the world to me if you like and subscribe. And if you know someone that would get value from it, please share it with them. I post a video every single week on how you can increase your LinkedIn engagement and upgrade your LinkedIn profile. The third post idea is post about the industries you serve. Now, some companies serve certain industries, some companies don't serve other industries, and you might have people on LinkedIn that don't even know that you serve their industry, or they don't even know that you serve other industries. So while this might seem like a self-servant post, remember, put it in the context of talk about the problems you solve for that specific industry. Do you serve the medical industry, so you have the specific certifications to produce medical products? Do you have certain specifications to know how to do building materials? What are the certifications you have? What problems for the end user or for the person buying it does that solve? You might be asking yourself, I don't even know where to start when it comes to analytics. I don't even know where to start when it comes to marketing. Well, if you have that question, check out my video, the Pick One Marketing Strategy. It will help you get clarity on growing your marketing and growing your reach through LinkedIn. The fourth post idea I have for you is ask a question to the specific people that purchase or go looking for your product. What you're doing is you're creating brand awareness. So hopefully what happened is these people that look at this post, they become aware of your brand, and when they go to purchase something like your product, they are already aware of your product. Make sure that this question is specific as possible and it's not about your specific product, because that will just turn people off. Okay, so for the fifth and final idea I have for you for a post on LinkedIn is answer a specific question or answer a common question you get from potential customers or even current customers while trying to buy your product. Oftentimes what happens is a customer will call up, they'll say, hey, I want a quote for this, or I'm looking to buy this. What about this? Or have you thought about this? Or what about this feature? Or what does this serve? Or how does this help? Post about that and answer that question. What this is going to do is it's going to increase the engagement to potential people looking to buy your product, and it's also going to inform people that you're trying to help, that you're not just someone trying to sell a product, you're a resource in the industry. Okay, and as I promised, the final tip that might help you double your LinkedIn reach is when you create these posts, make sure you're sharing them on your personal page and on your business page. This will increase your LinkedIn engagement. And also, when you post on your personal page, make sure you're adding a little bit of extra text or video to the post and then linking to the post on your business page to even increase your engagement. And then if someone comments, make sure you go into the comments and engage with them. You might be asking yourself, I don't even know where to start when it comes to analytics. I don't even know where to start when it comes to marketing. Well, if you have that question, check out my video, the Pick One Marketing Strategy. It will help you get clarity on growing your marketing and growing your reach through LinkedIn.